Imagine a technology invented over 2 millennia ago, still relevant and efficient in today's world. Yes, we are talking about Archimedes' screw. This fascinating invention traces its roots back to the 3rd century BC, credited to the genius of a Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer, inventor, and astronomer named Archimedes of Syracuse. Archimedes' contributions to the world of science are vast and varied, from laying the foundations of hydrostatics and statics to explaining the principle of the lever. His inventive prowess didn't stop there, as he designed innovative machines, including siege engines and the subject of our discussion today, the Archimedes screw. Originally, this ingenious device was designed to pump water upward for irrigation and drainage. Picture a screw inside a hollow pipe. As the shaft turns, the bottom end scoops up a volume of water. This water then glides up the spiral tube until it finally pours out from the top. In Archimedes' time, the screw was turned by manual labor, a stark contrast to the modern adaptations where windmills often do the job. Interestingly, it is rumored that the water screw was invented to remove water from the hold of a large ship. Archimedes' innovations were so ahead of their time that modern experiments have tested claims he designed machines capable of lifting attacking ships out of the water and setting ships on fire using an array of mirrors. Fast forward to today, Archimedes' screw is not just a historical artifact, but a tool that is about to revolutionize renewable energy in the United States. The ancient technology, with its simple yet effective design, is gearing up to make a significant impact in the realm of hydropower. It's a testament to the enduring genius of Archimedes that an invention from over 2,000 years ago can still hold its own in the face of modern technology. The story of Archimedes' screw is a reminder that sometimes we need to look to the past to find solutions for the future. We might be in the 21st century, but it's clear that we still have a lot to learn from the brilliant minds of antiquity. Meet Robert Coe, a property developer with a vision for renewable energy, who saw potential in a strip of land near Natick Pond Dam. In the late 60s, a year that was all about change and revolution, Robert Coe, a property developer from North Kingstown, made a rather intriguing purchase. He bought a plot of land adjacent to the Natick Pond Dam. But unlike most developers, he didn't have plans to build more houses or commercial properties. No, he had a different vision. A vision for renewable energy. For years, the dam on the Warwick side of the river had been a constant in Robert's life. He built 65 houses there, creating a community from scratch. But as he sold off the homes, he kept a small strip of land by the river. Why, you may ask? Because Robert Coe saw the potential of the dam. He saw the possibility of harnessing the power of the water, of creating renewable energy, and contributing to a greener planet. But his plans weren't met with immediate success. For 45 long years, Robert's vision remained just that, a vision. Legislation and permitting laws proved to be insurmountable hurdles, halting any progress to bring his dream to life. But like any visionary, Robert was not easily deterred. He held on to his strip of land and, more importantly, to his dream. And then, a breakthrough. In a recent legislative session, lawmakers expanded the state's landmark distribution generation program to include small hydropower. This change in the law was the light at the end of a very long tunnel for Robert. The new program sets ceiling prices for different types of renewable energy, such as solar and wind power, and requires National Grid to negotiate 15-year power purchase agreements with developers. This shift in policy was the key that unlocked the door to Robert's dream. It allowed him to dust off his plans and finally move forward with his ambitious project to harness the power of the Natick Pond Dam and generate renewable energy using Archimedes screws, a technology more than 2 millennia old. Despite the setbacks, Coe held onto his dream, and with recent changes in legislation, his decades-long vision is about to become reality. With the green light from lawmakers, Coe is set to introduce the first-ever Archimedes screw-based hydropower project in the United States. This exciting venture is a modern application of an ancient technology, repurposed for a sustainable future. The project involves the use of Archimedes' screw, a device that consists of a screw inside a hollow pipe. Traditionally, it was turned by manual labor, but in this application, it will be powered by the downward flow of water. As the screw turns, it scoops up water at the bottom, which then ascends through the spiral tube, harnessing the downward flow of water to generate electricity. This innovative use of the ancient device offers a number of environmental benefits. Firstly, it's a renewable source of energy, contributing to the global shift away from reliance on fossil fuels. Secondly, The screws turn slowly, at about 30 to 40 revolutions per minute, which allows fish to pass through unharmed, a significant advantage over traditional hydropower turbines that can be harmful to aquatic life. But this isn't just a one-off project. Representatives of New England Hydropower, who are collaborating with Kyoei on this venture, believe there's potential for hundreds of such projects across New England. This region alone is home to approximately 10,000 dams, each of which could potentially be repurposed to generate renewable energy using Archimedes screws. The screws planned for installation at the Natick Pond Dam are projected to generate about 1,500 megawatt-hours of electricity each year. That's enough power to supply around 250 typical Rhode Island homes. So what we're seeing here is a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and modern technology. A 2,000-year-old invention, first developed by a Greek scientist to remove water from a ship, is now being repurposed to generate clean, renewable energy. This ancient technology, first invented by a Greek scientist, is now on the brink of powering hundreds of homes in Rhode Island. The significance of this project extends far beyond the borders of Rhode Island, setting a precedent for renewable energy projects across the United States. This innovative approach taps into the untapped potential of thousands of dams across the country, turning them into powerhouses of renewable energy. By harnessing the power of a simple principle devised over 2 millennia ago, this project demonstrates the potential of combining ancient wisdom with modern needs. It's a reminder that sometimes the best solutions to contemporary problems lie in the wisdom of our ancestors. Imagine the ripple effect this could create. As more and more developers follow in Kyoei's footsteps, we could see a wave of renewable energy projects springing up nationwide. This isn't just about powering a few hundred homes in Rhode Island, it's about sparking a sustainable energy revolution. The brilliance of Archimedes' invention, coupled with Kyoei's vision, can not only light up hundreds of homes but also spark a revolution in renewable energy in the United States. Caught in the thrill of the game? Dive deeper with us. Hit subscribe to be the first to catch our latest content. To our loyal subscribers, your support is invaluable. Your engagement, likes, comments, shares, propels us to push the boundaries. So immerse yourself, engage, and inspire us to continually evolve. Thank you for being part of our journey.